What if I have failed in a particular examination? What if I have failed to tackle a particular project? What if I have failed to tackle a particular situation? Should I give up? Should I change my line? Should I move forward? Or I do something else? Should I do something else? Basically, what they are doing is they are preferring to give up. They are preferring to change their lines. Reason being, they have faced a failure. So, what according to you? Its failure means give up. Its failure means ever failure. Its failure means that you can never reach your goals. It's a big no from my side. It's a big no from my side. Failure doesn't mean you can't feel success. Failure doesn't mean you can't excel in your life. Failure means it's another opportunity. Failure means another chance to learn. Failure means another chance to grow. Success doesn't mean that you apply for one thing and you get it. Success doesn't mean you are an overall winner. Success doesn't mean that you can tackle all the situations of your life. Success means you are able to carry yourself in a better way. Success means you are mentally strong. Success means how you are tackling your failures. So today in my video, I'm going to share few tips, few situations and few ways how to tackle the failure in your life. Is a failure in your life is the only thing, or it's the end of your life, or it's the end of the opportunity, or it's the end of the thing you are doing, if the end of the field you are doing? No, extremely no. I considered failure as an opportunity. I considered a risk as an opportunity. I considered challenge as an opportunity. And that's what you have to do is. So I'm considering 2-3 points over here. So take a brief look about it. So first point what I'm going to discuss is failure is an opportunity? Is failure is an opportunity? What if considering you have went for an interview, and after being interviewed for so many months, after being interviewed for 3-4 months, you are being rejected in the last round. What you will do? You will see yourself as a failure? You will consider yourself as a failure? Or you consider yourself as an opportunity to learn from it and grow in your life? That's all depends upon you. That's 100% depends upon you. How you are taking it, how you are accepting it in your life. If you're taking it as an opportunity, you will excel in your life. If you're taking it as a failure, you can't excel in your life. When KFC was launched in China, they called for interview, and there are about 24 to 25 candidates were there for interview, and they selected near about 23 persons from it, and just 2 or 3 people got rejected. So considering the fact why they have selected everyone and only I am the one who got rejected, will give you a goosebumps, will give you a mental stress, will give you a sense of failure why I am the only one. But if at that point of time, if you only considered why I am the only one and don't move on in your life, you have accepted your failure. You have accepted your failure. And that one person I'm talking about who got rejected in the interview today is a founder, today is a CEO of Alibaba website. Today is the person, a founder of Alibaba website. It's just because he won't realize that I am a failure. He considered it as an opportunity. If this company is not going to take me, I will establish my own. This is the spirit you have to follow. This is the spirit you have to carry with yourself. So consider your failure as an opportunity. Consider your failure as a personality grooming. Consider your failure as a lesson for life. Second, I'm going to share is risk. Is risk taking in your life is good? Is risk taking in your life can be considered a part of opportunity? Again, coming up with an example, if I'm working in an area of taxation, if I'm working in an area of appeals, if I'm working in area of the GST, okay. So if anyone comes to me that ma'am, you have to deliver a seminar, ma'am, you have to deliver a speech on a topic, on a topic that I am not comfortable with, that I haven't read it, I am not comfortable with. So what would I do? Should I accept it or should I reject it? My question is here, I'm not comfortable, I'm not familiar with one speech, I'm not familiar with one topic, I'm not familiar with one section, but I've got an opportunity to deliver a speech, I've got an opportunity to present myself in a curriculum, to present myself as a professional. So what should I do? Should I accept it or reject it? According to me, I consider it as an opportunity. You have an option to study, read out the whole articles, read out the whole theory, read out the whole agenda, read out the whole act, and come out to as a learned professional. So what I get from it? I have read everything, I got knowledge, I read everything, now I got another area to explore. I read everything, now I have the capability, now I have the confidence to deliver it in a better way. So it's a risk that I will be able to do it or not, but it's an opportunity if I'm going to do it. So consider the risk as an opportunity in your life. Consider the risk as a growing stage in your life. Consider the risk as another area to explore in your life. So the third point is accepting the failures. I failed in an exam. I failed to conduct a seminar. I failed to complete a project. And I failed to meet up my expectations. So what do you think? Failure, can I consider it itself as I should close down everything, I can't do it? Or should I proceed with it and consider my failures as an opportunity, or consider my failures as a lesson for life? I choose the option second. Years, I always considered my failures as an opportunity and a lesson to grow in my life. Because what I believe is, until and unless you won't commit mistakes, you cannot grow up in your life. Because failure teach you lessons. Failure teach you tips to grow. What are the don'ts in your life? The wrong things you have done in your life will teach you a lesson for the life. So accept your failures, consider it as an opportunity, consider it as a lesson for the life, and improve yourself, and again come back as an fight back spirit, consider it as a fight back spirit, and prove everyone this, yes, I exist in this world. My failure is not permanent. My failure is not going to stay, but my work hard, my comeback, and my success will always be there to present myself as the personality that I am. The fourth one. The fourth one is, don't let others influence your emotions. Why I am saying so? The time you will failure, the time you will failure, and your friends, your colleagues have gone through, they have passed out. So at that point of time, you feel that emotional disconnect, feel that I am inferior from others. You feel ashamed of yourself in facing them, in meeting them. That is your biggest flaw. Why so? Because failure is a part and parcel of your life. Failure is a part and parcel of life. It's not a new thing that is happening to you. If you will face the failure, you will come back, and don't let yourself influenced by others, don't let yourself influenced by the emotion of others, don't let yourself influenced by the victory of others, then you will succeed in your life. You will succeed in your life. You will face the things. You will be a much, much, much stronger person in your life than others. So consider the failure in your life as an opportunity. Consider the failure in your life as a lesson for the life. Consider the risk as an opportunity in your life and grow in your life. Don't let yourself bother from small things. Don't let yourself bother from the failure. Don't let yourself go into the mental stress, and don't let yourself face it again and again and again, because the time you will stop learning from your failures, the time you will stop learning from the things, the wrong things you have done in your life, you have stopped your growth. So I advise you to please keep influencing in your life, keep passing out your failures, keep going on in your life, and be a successful person. Thank you so much, everyone. I will be happy to share with you more views, because this topic was shared with someone as a request that I should discuss it with you. So I will be happy to discuss more topics like this to in coming out from the failure lives, because I am not the one who has failed, who has, or get success at every phase of your life. I have failed many failures in my life, and I have just turned out to be a strong person. What I felt is, so that's why I am suggesting to you to be a strong person, to get lessons from your failure, and be a polished personality. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for watching my video, and do like my video, and for my channel support, do subscribe the channel. And if you liking my videos, do share it with the other person, do share it with your friends. I will be highly obliged. I will be very thankful to you for spreading it around. Thank you so much. Do like my video.